Ready to power up your career? The electrical trade offers stable work, good pay, and endless growth opportunities. Let's explore how to jumpstart your journey in 2025. Industry growth. Projected increase in demand by 2030. Median salary for licensed journeymen nationwide. College debt. Learn while you earn instead. Installation. Set up electrical systems in new buildings. Maintenance. Keep systems running safely and efficiently. Troubleshooting. Diagnose and fix electrical problems. Residential. Work in homes and apartments. Install lighting, outlets, and panels. Smaller teams, varied tasks. Commercial. Offices, retail, and institutions. Larger systems with complex controls, more structured work environment. Industrial. Factories and plants. High voltage systems and automation. Specialized knowledge with higher pay potential. New construction. Start with empty buildings. Work from blueprints. Install everything from scratch. Predictable schedule. Systematic approach. Long-term projects. Service work. Repair existing systems. Troubleshoot problems. Emergency calls and maintenance. Different sites daily. Strong problem solving. Customer interaction. Educational background. High school diploma or GED required for most programs. Basic math and science helpful. Math skills. Need to understand algebra, fractions, and measurements. These help with calculations and blueprint reading. Clean record. Background check often required. Driver's license needed for most positions. High school diploma/GED. Minimum requirement for all paths. Trade school. 6 months to 2 years of focused education. Direct apprenticeship. Learn on the job without prior schooling. On-the-job training. 80% of your time working alongside pros. Classroom instruction. 20% learning theory and code requirements. Paid learning. Earn while you develop your skills. Career advancement. Progress toward journeyman status. Union. IBEW NECA. Structured training through joint apprenticeship training committees. Higher starting pay. Strong benefits. Standardized training. Competitive entry. Non-union. Independent. Learn through private electrical contractors or associations. More flexible entry. Varied experiences. Company-specific training. Pay varies widely. Find a program. Research and apply to union JTCs or independent contractors accepting apprentices. Complete paperwork. Submit application to your state's regulatory agency with program acceptance proof. Receive credentials. Get official apprentice ID card or registration number to work legally on job sites. Apprentices master technical skills like blueprint reading, conduit bending, panel wiring, and safety protocols over their 4-year program. On-the-job training, 8,000 hours. Hands-on experience working alongside experienced electricians on actual job sites. Classroom instruction, 576 hours. Technical education covering electrical theory, code requirements, and blueprint reading. Specialized workshops, 144 hours. Focused training sessions on specific skills like conduit bending and control systems. Safety training, 80 hours. Critical instruction on OSHA requirements, electrical hazards, and proper safety protocols. Year 1. Fundamentals. Basic electricity theory, circuits, and safety. Learn Ohm's law and simple installations. Year 2. Residential focus. Home wiring systems, lighting circuits, and basic troubleshooting techniques. Year 3. Commercial applications. 3-phase power, motors, and commercial control systems. Year 4. Advanced systems. Industrial controls, automation, and advanced code requirements. Wire pulling. Learn to run cables through walls, ceilings, and conduits safely. Fixture installation. Mount and connect lighting, outlets, and switches to code standards. Troubleshooting. Diagnose and fix electrical issues under experienced supervision. OSHA 10 certification. Basic safety training required for all construction workers. Covers hazard recognition and prevention. Lockout tagout. Critical procedures to ensure power is completely off before working on systems. Personal protective equipment. Learn proper use of gloves, eye protection, arc flash gear, and fall protection. Apprentices gradually build their tool collection. Start with hand tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and testers. Add power tools as you advance. Digital blueprints. Paper plans replaced by tablets and apps. Renewable energy. Solar and battery storage installations booming. EV infrastructure. Electric vehicle charging stations in high demand. Smart systems. Home and building automation growing rapidly. 6 a.m. Morning prep. Wake up early, pack lunch, gather tools and safety gear. 7 a.m. Arrive at job site. Daily briefing. Receive assignments from journeymen or foremen. 7:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. Morning work. Install conduit, pull wire, or mount fixtures. Learn from experienced electricians. 1 to 3:30 p.m. Afternoon tasks. Complete installations, clean up worksite, prepare for next day. Explain technical concepts clearly. Team coordination. Work effectively with other trades. Creative problem solving. Find solutions under pressure. Continuous learning. Stay updated on code changes. Physical demands. Standing for hours. Crawling in tight spaces. Lifting heavy materials. Building stamina is essential. Weather exposure. Working outdoors in heat, cold, and rain. Adapting to changing conditions becomes routine. Work-school balance. Managing full-time work with evening classes requires strong time management skills. First-year apprentice. 40% of journeyman rate. Approximately $18 per hour in 2025. Second-year apprentice. 50% of journeyman rate. Approximately $23 per hour in 2025. Third-year apprentice. 65% of journeyman rate. Approximately $29 per hour in 2025. Fourth-year apprentice, 80% of journeyman rate, approximately $36 per hour in 2025. Journeyman electrician, 100% full rate, approximately $45 per hour in 2025. As you progress through your apprenticeship, both your skills and pay increase significantly. Most programs follow a percentage-based structure, where your wages steadily climb toward the full journeyman rate. Apprenticeship. Finish required hours and classroom instruction. Get documentation from your program. Study for exam. Review National Electrical Code Book. Take practice tests. Join study groups. Pass licensing exam. Take state journeyman exam. Typically includes code questions and practical knowledge. Maintain license. Complete continuing education. Renew every 1 to 3 years depending on state. Entry-level training position. The first step in your electrical career journey. Journeyman electrician. Work independently after apprenticeship. Apply your skills across various projects. Foreman/supervisor. Manage teams and coordinate work. Lead others while tackling complex projects. Master electrician/contractor. Own your business or lead major projects. The pinnacle of electrical career advancement. Annual growth. Faster than average job growth through 2030. New jobs. Expected new positions by 2028. Demand ratio. 3 openings for every qualified electrician. Apprentice first year. Annual salary, $37,000. Entry-level position, learning fundamentals under supervision. Apprentice fourth year. Annual salary, $58,000. Advanced apprentice with significant responsibilities. Journeyman. Annual salary, $72,000. Fully qualified electrician working independently. Foreman. Annual salary, $85,000. supervises teams and coordinates electrical projects. Master or contractor. Annual salary, $105,000. Business owner or senior project leader. Growing representation. Women now make up 4% of electricians, up from 1% a decade ago. Support networks. Organizations like Women in Construction provide mentorship and resources. Career advancement. Initiatives helping underrepresented groups reach leadership positions. Union benefits. Higher average wages, strong benefits packages, standardized training, job protection, pension plans. Union challenges. Competitive entry, union dues, strict work rules, possible wait periods. Non-union benefits, easier entry, flexible advancement, merit-based raises, diverse experiences, non-union challenges, variable pay rates, fewer benefits, less job security, training inconsistency. Digital codebooks, interactive NEC access with search features and tutorials. VR training, practice dangerous scenarios safely through virtual reality. Video tutorials, expert demonstrations of techniques and code requirements. Online communities, connect with fellow apprentices and veterans for advice. Education prerequisites, ensure you have a high school diploma or GED. Take extra math if possible. Research programs, explore local IBEW/NECA unions and independent contractors taking apprentices. Prepare application. Gather transcripts, ID, resume, and references. Practice interview skills. Gather basic tools. Start with screwdrivers, pliers, volt tester, and tape measure. Register with state. Complete apprentice registration with your state's regulatory agency. Stability. The electrical trade offers recession-proof work. People always need power. Your skills will always be in demand. Growth. Clear advancement path from apprentice to journeyman to master. Potential to own your business and build wealth. Satisfaction. Create something tangible. Solve problems. Help build infrastructure that powers our world.